Hi, I'm Dave Stern, one of the owners of the law firm Stern Cohen, workers' compensation law firm. If you're visiting our site for the first time, you're probably wondering what is going to happen the first time you call us. Obviously, it can be intimidating to pick up the phone and call a lawyer, and I can understand that, but I can assure you that it's not a painful process whatsoever. And keep in mind, when you call a law firm, the conversation that you have is protected by attorney-client privilege immediately. So anything you say in that conversation, even if you don't ultimately retain us, is confidential. So you don't have to be worried about whether your employer or the insurance company or anyone, frankly, for that matter, is going to know that you're calling us. In that first call, you're going to speak to someone on our intake team. The intake team is charged with getting all the information from you about your situation. So we'll get some background information on the employer, what you do, your earnings, and then we'll get into how the injury happened at work. And we will ask you a bunch of questions. The purpose of this is so the lawyer can read over it, have a good understanding about the case before we speak to you for the first time. And perhaps even identify some issues that we want to talk to you about before we even pick up the phone and call you. So we will gather some information on the injury and what has happened since. And if you have some particular things that you're going to want to talk to the lawyer about, we can make notes about that in the file as well. At the conclusion of the call, the intake team will set a time for you to speak with the attorney. We aim to speak to our clients the same day. So if you call us and want to speak to a lawyer that same day, we will do our very best to accommodate that, but no later than the following day. And when you hang up the call, you'll have a specific time that the lawyer is going to contact you, and you can await that call.